Hey everyone. So I've been now seeing that what is going on in the southeast has not stopped. I've been now seeing that what is going on in the western region has not stopped. Have you guys not seen that what is going on in the north has not stopped? Precisely when Nnamdi Kanu was talking about that the bandits will take over Nigeria, we take over your forest, we take over all your territories. A lot of you was laying course, speaking ill things about Nnamdi Kanu. Even to today, we know that yes, that the trial going on in the court of Nigeria today concerning Nnamdi Kanu, concerning the Biafrans, and concerning the actualization of Biafra, that we all knew that the Nigerian government has nothing to hold down Nnamdi Kanu. We all knew that. They have no obligation, they have no right, they have nothing to talk about in the court. Simply, they all knew that Nnamdi Kanu is fighting a just cause, and that is his right. That is his first civil right. So, jump into that. Have you now understand that if a lot of you guys had listened to what Nnamdi Kanu was preaching or had been preaching, Nigerian surface and Nigerian face will not be like that. Let me tell you guys something, okay? It's not about presidency. A president can come from anywhere. But for the fact that the state of Nigeria hold on to the level of the constitution that is governed Nigeria today, and the corrupt leadership that is ruling Nigeria today, no matter what Nigerians do, no matter how they vibe it, Nigeria will not come out the same. Nigeria will not come out to be a vibrant country that can be able to excel to a global power, for the fact that Nigeria remains like that. And coupled to the fact that the Igbos, the Biafrans, are being marginalized in Nigeria. You could stay wherever you are and say that everybody is being marginalized. But the fact remains that before you can say that your people are being marginalized, tell me what are the voter quota and the veto power and the resource control your people handles or manage. Tell me how much resources are they making out from your land. I don't care what side of the country you came from. For the fact that you do not understand that the surprise on Biafra is the surprise to Nigeria. Free Nnamdi Kanu. That is what we're talking about. When you release Nnamdi Kanu, release Biafra, let Biafra go. Biafra need to stand on their own. Just like Oduduwa Republic is also doing agitation to one way or the other to go on their own. It doesn't matter who is the president. Now Tinubu is the president. Does it stop Oduduwa not to actualize their freedom? No. Arewa is there to fighting their own. Buhari had just finished. Tinubu entered. Does it stop the Arewa not to fight for their freedom? No. All we are saying is that let Biafra go. If it takes Nigeria to divide into 3 or 4 sections, let it divide. It doesn't matter. So that peace will reign. So that every region will manage themselves. Every territory will manage themselves. There's a lot to talk about in this video. Are we going to talk about that there is seas that run into Biafra land, that seaports can be opened up to or with? They didn't allow that to happen. International airport, they didn't allow that to happen. Seaport, no way. Which one are we going to talk and leave the other one? After the Civil War, what major project has Nigerian government done in Biafra land? Nothing. So that is the pain of every Biafran. That is the pain of every Igbo man and Igbo woman. Even though they're not saying it out to your hearing, but that is the fact. That is the fact. I will leave it this way. I will let us come back again and listen to more.